Hi everybody, and welcome to RGTVZone. Today I'm going to be talking about resetting the maintenance light in Toyota 2003 to 2010 Toyota Siena. So you come into the car, you turn on the ignition, turn the engine on, and then this maintenance required light starts blinking and keeps blinking for another couple of minutes. So what would that mean? Typically it doesn't mean anything serious. What you're seeing here will save you money, because if you go to a mechanic, they're going to charge you just to reset this light. So what you do typically in this situation is make sure that your odometer is on like this, on the full odometer. And when you turn off the key, wait for a few seconds, press the odometer first, and then the key, turn it on, keep it like that for a couple of seconds. When you press the odometer, turn the key on, keep it for a couple of seconds, let go, and the maintenance required light is off. So to recap, it's just to make sure the odometer is on to the full odometer, not the daily trips. Turn off, wait for a couple of seconds, press the odometer, turn on the ignition, wait for maintenance required light to go out, and you're done. So this typically solves the problem. It's not a problem, it's really reminding you of maintenance that's required. And I just changed the oil in my Toyota Siena 2009 a few days ago. This started showing up. It's just to reset that interval. But if you're taking care of it yourself, this is not a big problem. It's just a light. Make sure you check your owner's manual as well, because it might mean some other things that might be more serious. But 99% of cases, this is just Toyota's way to remind you to do your oil change. So finally, when you turn on the engine, now there's not going to be any maintenance lights, and hopefully no other lights. I can see one that for tire pressure, and I'm gonna fix it momentarily, but other than that, it's perfect. All right, if you find this video useful and helpful, please give it a like and subscribe, because I'm gonna have some more in this fashion. And if you have any questions, submit your questions down below in comments, and I'll make sure I answer everybody's question. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.